If you've ever waited hours for laundry to finish, dealt with clothes that come out still damp, or struggled with machines that just don't fit your space, you already know how important the right washer and dryer set can be. The thing is, not all washer and dryer sets are built the same. Some are perfect for tight spaces, others focus on smart features, and some are all about raw capacity and performance. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best washer and dryer sets, each one standing out for a different type of home and laundry need. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these washer and dryer sets aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Frigidaire FL CE752 Electric. This is the best budget center on our list. Right away, what makes this perfect for the budget category is how much you're getting inside one compact 27-inch width design. It's a full laundry center with both a top-load washer and electric dryer built together. So you save space instantly. The washer gives you 3.9 cubic feet of capacity. That means you can fit more in each load. And the agitator movement delivers strong, consistent cleaning performance. Clothes just come out fresh and thoroughly washed. Then you've got quick wash and quick dry cycles. So when you're in a rush, you're covered. On top of that, there are 4-time dryer cycles, including air fluff and quick dry. Plus, it runs quieter thanks to the QuietPak sound dampening system. And the green LED status lights keep you updated during washing, rinsing, and spinning. There's also an end of cycle signal, so you always know when it's done. At 76 inches high and 31.5 inches deep, it fits comfortably in most laundry closets. Plus, it features a stainless steel drum for durability. So if you want a simple, dependable all-in-one laundry center that just works, this is it. Number 6 is the Samsung Bespoke AI Hub. This is the best smart stack on our list. What makes it the smartest option here is the easy reach control panel. You can control both the washer and dryer from one central hub. Everything feels streamlined and intuitive. You're getting a 4.6 cubic foot front load washer paired with a 7.6 cubic foot dryer. That means fewer loads and more efficiency. Now here's where it really stands out. AI OptiWash and AI Optimal Dry detect soil levels and fabric types automatically. It adjusts settings during the cycle, so you don't have to guess. Plus, Steam Wash gently removes stains without heavy pre-treating. And with Wi-Fi connectivity and SmartThings compatibility, you can start, stop, or monitor loads from your phone. There's also a vent sensor that helps the dryer run safely and efficiently. And it even includes a dryer rack for delicate items. And here's what Balchuk says. It's been nothing but an amazing purchase for both the washer and dryer. Being stackable has given us more space for other appliances, and it runs so quiet during use. Couldn't be more happy with the purchase. At 27 inches wide and about 74 inches tall, it delivers serious capacity in a sleek stack design. So if you want intelligent automation and full control built into one stack system, this is the one. Number 5 is the Frigidaire FL CG7522 gas. This is the best gas center on our list. If you prefer gas drying performance, this unit delivers. It pairs a 3.9 cubic foot top load washer with a 5.5 cubic foot gas dryer inside one compact 27-inch wide design. So you're getting a full laundry setup without taking over the room. The washer uses an agitator-driven wash action that moves clothes thoroughly through water and detergent. That steady movement helps lift dirt and handle heavier loads with confidence. And with cycles like heavy duty, bulky, delicates, colors, and rinse and spin, you've got flexibility for everyday laundry. Then on the dryer side, you get 4-time cycle options, including quick dry and air fluff. So whether you're finishing a load fast or refreshing fabrics, you can choose exactly what fits your schedule. It also includes quick wash and dry cycles to help move things along when time matters. Plus, the QuietPak sound dampening system keeps operation smoother and more controlled. And the green LED cycle status lights show you exactly where the load is in the process. Washing, rinsing, spinning, or drying. It stands 76 inches high and 31.5 inches deep, making it an easy fit in most standard laundry closets. And the stainless steel drum adds durability. So if you want the efficiency of gas drying with dependable top-load washing in one space-saving center, this one's a strong pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the washer and dryer sets discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Electrolux 600 series set. This is the best premium pair on our list. What makes this premium right away is the capacity and build quality. You get a 4.5 cubic foot front load washer and an 8 cubic foot dryer. That's serious space for large families, bedding in bulky loads. The washer features perfect steam along with an NSF certified sanitized cycle for allergen reduction. It's Energy Star certified and rated high efficiency. And thanks to the built-in water heater, it maintains consistent cleaning temperatures for better stain removal. You also get 11 wash cycles including activewear, towels, heavy duty, fast wash, hand wash, optic whites, and clean washer. There are 5 spin speeds with a maximum of 1,300 RPM, which extracts more water before the dryer even starts, and that improves drying efficiency. On top of that, you can adjust soil levels and temperature settings, including eco-cold, warm, hot, and sanitize. It even includes options like stain soak, extra rinse, and pure rinse. Now, the dryer uses a moisture sensor to help prevent over-drying and protect fabrics. And the reversible door gives you installation flexibility. Plus, it measures 27 inches wide and 32 inches deep, and it's fully stackable if space requires it. The stainless steel drum adds durability, and it includes a drum light for visibility. And by the way, warranty coverage includes 1-year labor, 10-year motor, and a lifetime tub warranty. So if you want advanced steam cleaning, powerful spin extraction, and long-term durability in a premium set, this one stands out. Number 3 is the GE Profile Ultrafast Combo. This is the best all-in-one on our list. What makes this the top all-in-one option is simple. It washes and dries in the same machine. You don't need to transfer clothes or go through a second step. You load it once and it handles the rest. It features a 4.6 cubic foot capacity, so you can clean large loads, even a king-size comforter. And it can wash and dry a large load in about 2 hours. That's serious convenience for busy households. Then there's the fast airflow drying system. Warm, high-speed air pulls moisture out quickly while using lower heat. And because it runs on a standard 120-volt connection with a ventless design, installation is flexible. You don't need a dryer exhaust vent. And that opens up more placement options. Plus, the inverter heat pump system delivers 50% more energy-efficient drying compared to standard electric dryers. That means strong performance with smarter energy use. It also includes power steam technology to penetrate deep into fabric fibers and loosen stains and odors. The Sanitize with Oxy cycle removes 99% of bacteria using an oxy additive to boost cleaning power. And Microban antimicrobial protection is built into the gasket, dispenser, and draining system to help prevent odors over time. There's also the EZ Access Lint filter system, making maintenance simple. Smart HQ connectivity lets you monitor cycles, receive notifications, and download specialty cycles from your phone. At just 32 inches deep, it fits comfortably into tighter spaces like closets or alcoves. And it's backed by a 10-year limited motor warranty and 5-year limited sealed drying system warranty. So if you want true one and done laundry with smart features and flexible installation, this is it. Number 2 is the Electrolux ELTE 7300 tower. This is the best compact tower on our list. What makes this perfect for compact spaces is the vertical stack design. You get a full-size washer and dryer in one streamlined footprint, and it still measures just 27 inches wide. The washer offers 4.4 cubic feet of capacity. The dryer gives you a generous 8 cubic feet. So you're not sacrificing performance for space. And the LuxCare wash system provides smart load sensing for thorough cleaning. It adapts to what you're washing. Then the moisture sensors in the dryer prevent over-drying, helping protect fabrics. It also offers a 15-minute fast wash and a 15-minute fast dry cycle. So when you need something done quickly, it delivers. The stainless steel drum adds durability. And the included stacking kit makes installation simple. At 76.25 inches high and 32 inches deep, it fits neatly into laundry closets while still handling large loads. So if you want a compact tower that still feels full-size and powerful, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 1 is the LG Wash Tower WKE X200. This is the best overall stack on our list. What sets this apart is the balance of space efficiency, capacity, and smart technology. It combines a vertical single-unit design with full-size washer and dryer performance in one streamlined system. The washer offers 4.5 cubic feet of capacity and the dryer provides 7.4 cubic feet, giving you room for comforters, towels, and larger loads. The center control panel is positioned between the washer and dryer for easier access. Everything sits within reach, which makes everyday use feel more natural. And built-in AI technology automatically selects wash and dry settings based on the load. Turbo Wash 360 delivers multi-spray cleaning for strong wash performance. The allergen cycle helps reduce common allergens. And Turbo Steam supports fabric care while refreshing clothes. It also connects to the ThinQ app, allowing remote monitoring and cycle notifications. The tempered glass doors add durability and a clean, modern look. And here's what Connie says: "I seriously love this washer-dryer combo. The capacity is huge, and this has to be the quietest washer and dryer I have ever owned. It's so quiet I check on it to make sure it hasn't finished, and I missed hearing the buzzer. Something I don't understand is why my clothes come out cleaner than they did using the laundromat machine, but they do. I highly recommend this set/combo. I believe it's a great quality and very efficient. At 27 inches wide and about 74.38 inches tall, it maintains a compact footprint while still offering substantial capacity. So if you want a sleek, intelligent, space-saving stack that brings together design, performance, and smart features in one unit, this is the one. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect washer and dryer set. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each washer and dryer set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.